Hey guys. Hey guys. Man, I was talking. Apparently you guys didn't hear me, so I muted the mic. I was saying UPST is doing what a good EP is supposed to do. It's going up. Yeah, but this one was actually accidental. Meaner version incoming on that UPST. Thanks for the heads up. Let's see. KMB. Yeah, and you see all of these, weak stocks, they're resolving these bear flags to the downside. We had Shopify and what was the other one? There was another one too. Shopify, another one. They're resolving to the downside. Technicals matter, guys. Technicals matter. Yeah, Roblox. Yes, thank you. PayPal? PayPal was like a couple of weeks ago. Come on, man. Snap? Huh? What the fuck are you talking about? Yeah, market open. Good luck, guys. Wait, is Nvidia gapping down? I thought it was gapping up. Yeah, Fastly too, another bear flag. Resolving to the downside. Dash is a bear flag that kind of resolving to the upside. We'll see if it can. What can happen here? This ALB needs to hold this area. It's kind of the lower end of the channel. And you? Yeah. Yeah. Thinner recent IPO. Oh, that's the Brazilian. Is it Nubank, right? It's the Brazilian bank, I think. Zim. Yeah, Zim has been strong. This is not a breakout type of stock though. This is more of a buy on the pullback of support. You see how the Qs are kind of surfing the 20-day lower for now? Spice too. Building lower highs for now. Spice, you know, they can't even hold above the 200-day. Not good. Not good. MRIN on TikTok news. This is it's an old pump stock. They're masters of the pump. They have an old history of this pump news. Yeah, I like TTT too. It needs more. It needs more time. The 20-day needs to catch up and needs to tighten up, but it's building a solid base here. It is. This is called tennis ball action. It's one of the few like software related names that's, you know, holding up, building a big base, multi-year base, almost year and a half long base here. You know, remember, stocks launch of solid bases. You know, last time it launched and made this 200% move, it was also coming off like a year and a half long consolidation. That's how the stock market works. Wrong sector? No, it's the right sector. No, TTD reported yesterday. No, they reported a few days ago. Yeah, yesterday, not today. Five-year long base on OPNT. No. 5-month long base. Markets are weak. Yeah, hood is kind of breaking. Yeah, this hood, man. Oh boy. What a disaster. Robinhood is going broke. Oh yeah, Russian invasion, maybe no Russian. It's definitely an overhang on the markets, that's for sure. But it could also be like a buy there, because remember the Kuwait invasion and also the Iraqi war, those were by the event. Sell the rumor, buy the news type of events. Maybe this is the same, I don't know. But yeah, that's, you know, unless that gets resolved, we're not gonna have an uptrend, you know, solid uptrend. The Russians need to withdraw, or then the war needs to break out. Right now, that's definitely the biggest overhang. And look, I wouldn't want to be heavily long. Even though I think a lot of the things I'm long would react positively, like the energy stuff, NRQ and DVN. The correction didn't start because of Ukraine tensions. Okay, so what? Who cares? Now we have Ukraine tensions. Is that a serious question? It's a simple math, dude. It's simple math. Come on. You're losing 1% per trade. If you can't figure the math out in 2 seconds, I don't think you're gonna make any money trading. If you're paying 1% fees per trade, that's excluding commissions. Like, what type of expectations do you have for your trades? It takes 5 seconds to figure it out. Get a US broker. Just get a US broker. You don't need the Swedish brokers. Saving on taxes, it's an illusion. What's the point in trying to save on taxes when you don't have any taxes to pay? Just forget about the Swedish brokers. They suck. Get a US broker. Man up and pay 30% taxes. Trust me on that one. I have some experience in that field. And yeah, also change your name. Change your name. It stands out too much. It's unfair to everyone else. Because when I see Kalamagi, I'm like, oh, Kalamagi. I'm gonna give you more attention to others. No, it's true. David, should you change your name? David, it doesn't matter if you change your name. I would hate you as much as I do now. So you can just keep your name. In a loving way, obviously. I hate you in a loving way. If that makes sense. It's a love-hate relationship. It's complicated, okay? It's complicated. Oh, DVN, let's go. DVN showing relative strength to the rest of the oil complex. That's good. Exactly. Golden oil. Nice chinks on UPST. I know. I know. But it's still up on the day. Who cares? It's up on the day. Doesn't mean anything. The Snapchat is getting tight. This is the cultiest place on Twitch. Leader says, bad question, and the chat go into war dance. That's true. That's actually true. But like half the questions are because people haven't followed the instructions on the screen, and that is fucking annoying. It's disrespectful. But there are lots of good questions too. Yeah, the whole market is weak, you know. I mean, you know, just look at the, you know, SPYs, for example. They're kind of surfing the moving averages lower. Now it's kind of breaking down below the 200-day. You know, that's not a healthy market, you know. That's not healthy. There's you know, downside pressure. It's a whack-a-mole type of a market. But this is also good to see, because now we've all seen a lot of stocks starting to decouple from the indices. Like the indices are down, but a lot of stocks are making healthy moves, like UPST, Rivian, DVN. You know, a lot of stocks are up. That was not true a couple of weeks ago. You know, when the indices were down, everything was down. When the indices were up, everything was up. But that's a change we've seen over the past few weeks. Things have started decoupling. So, you know, it's a little bit of a positive sign. That can change at any moment, obviously. But for now, that's what I've been noticing. Do I think fuel cell is... I don't see the tightness here. It's just been going up for the past few weeks. I failed to see the tightness. Yeah, MU is... I think it has leadership potential for the next... You know, unless we get into a nuclear war with Russia and the world ends. But if that doesn't happen, we will have a bull leg at some point in the future, and this may be one of the leaders. Choose your mindset. Da 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 da. Oh. This square looks like it's a potentially brutal bear flag. Just can't get up for air above the 20-day. You're all in on nuclear war, good risk reward. Okay. I don't agree on that one. I don't agree on that one. Yeah, ARK is a big potential bear flag. A lot of things are, you know, we've seen a lot of bear flags resolve to the downside past couple of sessions, including today. But it would be good if we get another leg down. It would be very healthy. Very, very healthy. And it really helps to build bases on the stocks that show, that have been showing, good price action over the past month. It would really help build bases on those. As an ethical trader, you have to pass on the good risk reward from a potential nuclear war. Yeah. I think nuclear war is unethical, so I won't participate. The whole sector of AI. Okay, what sector is that? Can you give me examples? Can you give me examples of AI stocks? I'm still waiting to hear from, like, yeah, but what stocks are in the AI sector? Every tech stock, every software, just look at this. I'm gonna show you AI stocks. Well, like, every software related name is an AI name. They're all using AI. Just a buzzword. Everything, exactly. Yeah, the whole QQQ is AI. Alcoa is AI. Sure, they're probably using AI too to find aluminum. I don't know. Skynet is AI too. That's the ultimate AI. Exactly. AI, ML, they're super overused. Yeah, UPST has an AI algorithm. Exactly. Even mining companies use AI. Everything is AI. Doesn't really mean anything. Just like metaverse. Super overused. It's just a buzzword. Da, da, da. Stock Daddy. Sounds like you're doing something useful with your time in this market. Am I going to hold Moss through earnings on Monday? Yeah, I will. Yeah, a lot of China names are perking higher. Come on, Rivian. Let's go. Yeah, China has, yeah, they've done some efforts lately to boost their market. It's FDNT's building a nice base. It looks ripe on the weekly. Oh yeah, I forgot. Control C, right? Yeah, I forgot. I need to get the habit in. And also, look, the fear index. What's that? It's probably a fun show, but I think most in here would benefit more from actually studying market mechanics than watching a show. Oh yeah, Control M. DVAC, let's go. Alt F4. Nice try. Nice try. Bastard. You guys can be so mean. Nice try. I know what that does. I'm gonna ban him. Type CMT and format C. Oh man. You guys are brutal. The commodity names are weak today. Yeah, it's still chop 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 until the indices can actually, you know, kind of hold an uptrend. Because right now there's still like, you know, there's selling pressure, right? You know, the indices get rejected below the moving averages, the declining moving average. A healthy market is when the indices are surfing the moving averages higher, you know, when they are above the rising moving averages. That's when you have, can, you know, get these enormous moves in stocks. Right now, you know, some things have popped, like Bill popped on the EP, but, you know, and it's kind of setting up. But, you know, once the index can actually, you know, turn higher, that's when you can get these enormous moves of solid bases. Right now we're not there yet. Admiral Bulldog, never heard of. Come on, Rivian, let's go. Rivian has room to the, well, to the 50-day. That's another maybe 15% or so. We'll see. But these types, you kind of have to be a bit more aggressive selling to strength. Same thing with something like UPST too. So it's approaching the moving averages. DVAC is grinding higher. Marine shipping, what's that? Docks. Yeah. Finding support on the rising 10 after its EP. Definitely has broken the downtrend for now. SPLK, yeah. Fro. SPLK. Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, the whole sectors. Mara, MSTR, Riot. Yeah, they're all trading on exactly like Bitcoin, pretty much. Can you imagine what torture would it be to have a 3-year bear market? Well, it's an attitude thing. Why would it be torture? I would see it as vacation. It's how you frame it. And you know, for you guys that are more shorter term, there's plenty of opportunities. Plenty of opportunities, even in bear markets. And think about it this way. If you start trading at the start of a bear market, you grind it through for multiple years. You survive the bear market, and then you get the next bull market, you make, 50x your money. And then you survive the next bear market versus someone who started at 2020. They 20x their money and now they lost everything. Which scenario would you rather want? Exactly, you should be adaptive. Like, stuff like, I mean, if you look at my portfolio right now, like stuff like Rivian, I generally don't trade these types of setups. But right now, these are the type of setups that have been working, so I gotta adapt. It's pretty much a breakout setup, except it doesn't have a flagpole, right? It's just coming off a bottom, but those are the setups that have been working over the past month, so you gotta adapt. But it's still one of my 3 main setups, it's just a variation of it. It's not like I'm trading a completely new setup. Have I started the Seagull book yet? No, I haven't. I have a couple of other books to finish first. Yeah, looks like ARK is kind of breaking down from the bear flag for now. Tesla's weak. Hood is breaking down from this bear flag, long consolidation. Ford breaking down on bear flag, yeah. Yeah, we'll see. Now, if we close really weak in the markets, well, like I'm looking at, what's holding up in my portfolio. Like K-Web, I'm probably gonna get stopped out of. I took a starter because all the China names started perking up, but Rivian, this thing needs to close strong, otherwise I'm just gonna sell it. You know what? I'm not even gonna wait for it to go down. It just needs to go straight up. I have no patience. It either works or it doesn't. some selling going on. But the day is still young. A lot of things can happen. Yeah, I saw that one, yeah. Surfing the 50-day lower and now it's gapping down on earnings. Getting shredded. ALB, oh yeah, it's breaking down. Not good. I was so looking forward to this base. I was hoping for a upside EP. Nope. Airbnb is pulling back again. You know, if we can go sideways for a month, let the 20 catch up, build a base, would be a good thing. AFRM, oh man, this thing is getting shredded. How much is it down from the highs? 76%, nice. This is why it's so important to develop sell rules. So many people are victims to the market right now, so many. Alright guys, I'm gonna cut the stream now. Thanks for joining. See you tomorrow. Is it Friday tomorrow? Yeah, see you tomorrow. Good luck everyone.